Hey and welcome to Crypto World, a channel where all we do is talk about crypto. Before we start, we'd kindly ask you to give this video a like, and if we were able to deliver some value to you, and also feel free to subscribe to our channel at any given time. And one last thing before we start, please remember that this video is not financial advice and we are not financial advisors. So before you invest any money, please do your own research. That being said, to the video now. So let's start the video. Today, I'm going to tell you how you can earn passive income from Pancakeswap. On Pancakeswap, anyone can make passive income, but there are a few things that everyone should be aware of. Let's start with some basics that are first, need to know in order to continue. So stick around. Starting with what is Pancakeswap and how does it work, what is the mechanism behind it. Pancakeswap is a Binance Smart Chain project. On September 1st, 2020, the Binance Smart Chain, or BSC, was released onto the market. This fourth generation blockchain was created in order to function alongside Binance Chain. Binance Smart Chain, or BSC, is significantly more advanced than their previous chain, which is impressive. For example, the platform can facilitate transactions that are both speedier and less expensive. The network has ultra-high performance and can generate a block every 3 seconds. Pancakeswap is a Binance Smart Chain powered DEX and AMM that enables everyone to quickly and safely trade BEP20 tokens, in the same way as Uniswap does. The platform offers a decentralized trading experience with liquidity pools. Pancakeswap is the most popular DApp on the Binance Smart Chain, and many people consider it to be a project with limitless potential. BEP20. The introduction of smart contracts and the staking mechanism for BNP were two of the key goals of the Binance Smart Chain BSC. Binance's development team designed the BEP20 token standard to accomplish this goal. BEP20 can be thought of as Binance's equivalent of the widely used ERC20 token standard. BEP20 tokens, on the other hand, can be traded for much less on the Binance Smart Chain, or BSC, and provide users with certain unique opportunities not available on Ethereum. What problems does Pancakeswap solve? Pancakeswap plays an important position in the market right now. The platform aids in the resolution of a number of challenges that now afflict the market. Pancakeswap has established itself as a viable competitor to Uniswap, the current DeFi and DEX leader, thanks to its creative strategy and attention to security. Benefits of Pancakeswap. Because it operates outside of the Ethereum environment, Pancakeswap avoids all of these concerns. The Binance Smart Chain was created to streamline all of these processes and present users with a more cost-effective option. This technique has helped the platform stand out in the increasingly crowded DEX market, but wait, there are more reasons why you should invest in Pancakeswap and generate passive income through it. While you do so, like transferability. Pancakeswap users receive access to fresh tokens, which is a significant bonus. Pancakeswap's deposit capabilities allow users to send USDT, BTC, BUSD, and ETH from the ETH chain to the Binance Smart Chain, or the BSC chain. You have access to all of the market's most promising projects. There's also a good range of BEP20 unique tokens, as well as other uncommon and hard-to-find projects. Interconnectivity. One of Pancakeswap's main concerns was maintaining some degree of connectedness between the two blockchains. Pancakeswap's developers knew that the Ethereum environment would be home to a bulk of their users, so they sought to make the procedure as simple as possible. The platform was created to integrate popular wallets such as Trust Wallet, Token Pocket, Wallet Connect, Math Wallet, and MetaMask as part of this goal. MetaMask in particular was ahead of the curve, and its wallet was designed to support both BEP20 and ERC20 tokens. Pancakeswap transactions are cheaper. Pancakeswap's minimal pricing structure is perhaps its most appealing feature. Because of its enhanced technical capabilities, the network is not reliant on gas prices. Because of this strategy, you can trade on Pancakeswap for a fraction of the price on Ethereum-based AMMs like Uniswap and SushiSwap. Using Pancakeswap, the typical transaction costs is only around $0.08. Pancakeswap is faster. Users will also benefit from the more responsive trading experience thanks to the Binance Smart Chain, or BSC. In most cases, Pancakeswap user transactions are completed within 5 seconds. Faster transaction speeds allow investors to earn more since they provide more opportunities for computer-assisted trading. They also help traders stay ahead of the curve and minimize slippage. Profit. Pancakeswap presents novel methods of generating additional revenue streams. The DEX allows users to secure gains while paying lesser costs. They can also easily earn rewards by staking and farming their tokens. Non-fungible tokens. These can be traded and issued on the network or NFTs. Collectible tokens are currently one of the fastest growing segments of the blockchain business. they're rapidly increasing in value, with some recent NFTs fetching millions of dollars. Private. Pancakeswap is a good choice for people looking for a private trading experience. There is no need to register for KYC or AML on the platform. All you have to do now is link your compatible wallet and you're ready to trade. For those concerned about their privacy, this technique might be seen as an extra layer of defense against hackers or those who want to keep track of their earnings. It's secure. Pancakeswap has shown to be really safe. For starters, it's a non-custodial DEX, which means your funds are never held in massive hot wallets by the platform. Because of this, DEXs are far more secure than centralized exchanges. Furthermore, the site has taken various steps to promote its safe image. Pancakeswap, for example, had a third-party audit performed by CertiK, a well-known cybersecurity organization. The platform's enterprise-level security was certified by the audit. It also allowed Pancakeswap to expand its functionality. CertiK's Security Oracle, or CertiK's Shield, Deep Sea, and Virtual Machine features were introduced specifically by the developers. Despite the fact that the platform is still new, it's never been successfully hacked. So how does Pancakeswap work? Pancakeswap operates as an automated market maker, or AMM. An auto book isn't used by AMMs to match customers and sellers. Instead, the site uses complex algorithms and liquidity pools to connect these parties directly. AMMs offer higher rates, faster processing, and less spillage. As a result, many of today's most popular platforms such as Uniswap and SushiSwap operates as AMMs. Now coming back to our today's main topic, that how you can earn passive income by Pancakeswap. Pancakeswap's primary job is to serve as an exchange platform. Pancakeswap is a popular platform for exchanging and swapping the Binance Coin or BNB and other cryptocurrencies. The platform will require liquidity to make this viable. Simply expressed, the tokens must be available and donated by individuals. This is where the user enters the picture. By purchasing a stake of these tokens and allowing Pancakeswap to trade them, anyone visiting Pancakeswap can become a liquidity provider. You offer some tokens and an equivalent amount of value in cake tokens for each liquidity pool. You'll be rewarded with additional cake if you complete this action. Simply said, the cake token is a sort of compensation for providing liquidity to the network. A bank, like any other business, requires capital to operate. The more users who wish to swap tokens on Pancakeswap, the more transactions there are. And the more money liquidity providers make, the bigger the supply, and unfortunately, the lesser the compensation. The more people who want to give liquidity, you're given liquidity or money, and it's moved hundreds of times each day, earning you a cut of transaction fees each time. Furthermore, staking cake and letting it compound is the safest approach to create a long-term passive income on Pancakeswap. There has never been a better moment to start generating a passive income with the leading DeFi DApp on Binance Smart Chain, with Pancakeswap garnering over 1 million unique active wallets on a weekly basis. There are many tokens that are available to get while you are staking your cake tokens, and the rates can go from 50 to 80% APR. What we think is the best one to go with is the Auto Cake one. In that pool, you are your cake tokens and providing it to the pool. Only this pool is auto-compounding your rewards, which in a year can give you almost 80%. Now tell me which bank is giving this kind of interest. Of course, we didn't even consider the fact that the price of the cake token might rise up, which will eventually help you to earn more on your money. Now this video is a very overall idea on how to start getting passive income with the Pancakeswap platform. If you want us to do even a deeper dive at this topic, then please let us know in the comment below. We really hope we were able to provide some value to you guys here. If you feel like we did, then please give this video a like and subscribe to our channel. Also remember that the crypto market is very volatile and anything can happen. Before you decide to make any move, please make sure that you do your own research so you could assess the pros and cons at the best way. We'll see you guys in the next video, and until then, let's start making some passive income. Thank you for watching.